demonstrate a simple adjustment to the hinge with the knuckle bender, this little tool, a little bolting hammer, and a couple of shims. Now, as you can see on this door, the reveal is out. The door is leaning into the frame, not latching. The reveal is good here, but it's out. This hinge is out. So what we're going to do, first of all, is on the knuckle bender, it has this little tool to knock out the pin. So what we're going to do is we're going to knock the pin out of the top hinge. We'll set it aside. So now we are going to shim the door over. Got some wood shims here. So the door is latching, the reveal is even, but you can see the hinge is way out of whack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend these 3 pins back on the frame side. And now we have a working door, it latches, and the reveal is nice and even all the way through the door. It's just that simple.